From space-saving appliances to clever kitchen essentials, these hand-picked products are designed to simplify everyday routines while adding comfort and style to your home. Each item focuses on practicality, smart design, and ease of use, helping you cook faster, stay organized, and enjoy a more efficient, modern kitchen experience. All products links in the description section below. Moving from busy days to relaxed evenings feels easier when cooking doesn't demand extra effort. The Chefman Crispinator Air Fryer fits naturally into modern kitchens where speed, flavor, and healthier choices matter. Its spacious 8-quart basket makes weeknight dinners, family snacks, or weekend gatherings simple, while the powerful 450 degrees Fahrenheit Turbo-Free Pro Heat delivers the deep-fried crunch without the oil. You can roast vegetables, crisp chicken, dehydrate snacks, or even bake all while watching the food through the built-in window. Cleanup stays stress-free thanks to the ceramic non-stick basket, so more time is spent enjoying meals, not scrubbing. Whether you're cooking after work or experimenting on a lazy Sunday, this air fryer quietly upgrades everyday routines at $129.99, makes every meal feel special. When meals are meant to be shared, keeping everything warm can make all the difference. The Chefman Compact Glass-Top Warming Tray fits seamlessly into family dinners, small gatherings, or buffet-style setups where timing doesn't always line up. Instead of rushing to serve or reheating dishes one by one, this sleek tray quietly maintains the perfect temperature while you focus on hosting and enjoying the moment. Its adjustable heat settings handle everything from appetizers to full casseroles, and the compact design travels easily for events or holidays away from home. The glass surface looks elegant on any table and wipes clean in seconds. It's one of those simple additions that instantly elevates entertaining at $38.68, keeps everyone happily served together. Some meals call for that unmistakable golden crunch, and that's where the Chefman 4.5-liter deep fryer truly shines. It fits perfectly into family weekends, game nights, or celebrations where comfort food takes center stage. With its generous capacity, you can fry chicken, shrimp, or fries for everyone at once instead of working in small batches. The adjustable temperature control keeps results consistent, while the viewing window lets you check doneness without lifting the lid. Cleanup feels refreshingly manageable thanks to the removable, all-container, and dishwasher-safe basket. It's a great way to bring restaurant-style favorites home and enjoy them fresh, hot, and exactly how you like them. For households that love sharing crispy classics, this fryer delivers reliable results at $69.99 every time, without the hassle. Weekend mornings feel a little more special when the smell of fresh waffles fills the kitchen. The Chefman Rotating Belgian Waffle Maker turns everyday breakfasts into a relaxed, cafe-style experience right at home. Its 180-degree flip design spreads batter evenly, giving you thick, fluffy waffles with that irresistible golden crisp on the outside. Whether you're making a quick weekday treat or setting up a cozy brunch with toppings for everyone, the adjustable timer lets you customize each batch just the way you like it. Cleanup stays simple with non-stick plates and a removable drip tray, and vertical storage keeps counters clutter-free. It's an easy way to slow down, enjoy the moment, and start the day right at $39.99, breakfast moments worth repeating every time. For coffee lovers, mornings feel better when great espresso is always within reach. The Chefman Crema Supreme Espresso machine brings the cafe atmosphere into your kitchen, turning daily routines into moments worth savoring. From freshly grinding beans to pulling rich, aromatic shots, everything feels smooth and intentional. The built-in grinder with multiple settings lets you tailor each cup, while the Steam One makes creamy lattes and cappuccinos easy to enjoy at home. Whether it's a quiet solo morning or brunch with friends, the generous water tank keeps the coffee flowing without constant refills. It's a satisfying way to skip cafe lines and still enjoy professional quality drinks whenever you want, all for $279 that elevates every sip you brew. Busy days and relaxed evenings both call for quick, satisfying meals, and the Chefman Everything Maker and Pizza Oven fits right into that rhythm. It's perfect for casual weeknight dinners, impromptu lunches, or fun cooking moments with family. In minutes, you can crisp a homemade pizza, press a quesadilla, cook omelets, or even make pancakes, all without turning on the big oven. The fast preheat and high heat deliver that crave-worthy crunch, while the non-stick plates keep cleanup refreshingly simple. Its sleek design stores vertically, making it easy to tuck away when the kitchen needs space. If you enjoy flexible, fuss-free cooking that adapts to your schedule, this countertop multitasker shines at $44.99, making everyday meals fun again. Healthy routines are easier to stick with when the right tools are always within reach. The Chefman Obliterator Countertop Blender fits seamlessly into busy mornings, post-workout refuels, or relaxed evenings experimenting with soups and sauces. Its powerful motor handles frozen fruit, ice, and nuts effortlessly, so smoothies come out silky instead of chunky. The generous 48-ounce jar makes it easy to blend for yourself or the whole household, while the auto blend feature removes the guesswork for consistent results. Cleanup stays stress-free with simple rinse or dishwasher-safe parts. For anyone looking to simplify nutrition and creativity in the kitchen, this blender delivers professional-level performance at $149.99 that keeps every blend smooth and satisfying. Some kitchen moments don't need a full-sized appliance, just quick, flexible power right where you're cooking. The Chefman Cordless Immersion Blender is perfect for blending soups directly in the pot, whipping up single-serving smoothies, or mixing sauces without dragging out extra equipment. Its cordless design keeps movement easy and counters clutter-free, while one-touch speed control gives you just the right consistency with minimal splatter. Whether you're prepping a fast lunch or finishing a homemade dinner, cleanup stays simple with a removable, dishwasher-safe blade. It's a practical upgrade for cooks who value convenience and control in everyday meals, delivering reliable performance at $59.95 that fits perfectly into busy kitchens. Nothing warms up a kitchen or your morning quite like the perfect cup of tea or coffee. The Chefman electric kettle makes it effortless whether you're steeping loose-leaf tea, brewing pour-over coffee, or just boiling water for hot chocolate. With customizable temperature presets and a removable infuser, it ensures every cup hits the ideal flavor and strength. The tricolor LED indicators keep you informed at a glance, and the cordless 360 swivel base adds convenience for serving or pouring anywhere. Fast boiling performance and easy cleanup make daily use stress-free, while its sleek glass design looks elegant on any countertop. For those who value precision and simplicity, this kettle elevates hot beverages at $27.96 for a reliably perfect pour every time. Whether at home, in the office, or on the go, keeping drinks, snacks, or skincare products at the perfect temperature is effortless with the Chefman Iceman Mini Portable Fridge. Its compact 4-liter size fits anywhere, while the dual cooling and warming modes let you store cold beverages or keep meals warm with ease. Lightweight and travel-ready, it's perfect for road trips, dorm rooms, tailgating, or even your desktop at work. The removable shelf adds flexibility for organizing small items, and its eco-friendly, free-on-free design makes it convenient and safe for any setting. For anyone who values portability without sacrificing function, this mini fridge delivers smart storage at $42.95, keeping essentials perfectly chilled or warm anywhere. When hosting friends, family, or special events, keeping dishes warm and ready to serve makes entertaining effortless. The Chefman electric warming tray brings convenience and style to any table, with its extra-large 21 inches x 16 inches surface accommodating multiple dishes at once. Adjustable temperature settings let you keep appetizers piping hot or maintain main courses throughout the gathering, while the sleek glass top and stainless steel accents elevate your buffet or dinner setup. Cool touch handles make serving safe and simple, and cleanup is easy thanks to the smooth glass surface. Perfect for holiday meals, game day snacks, or weekend family dinners, this tray ensures every dish stays at the ideal temperature at $74.99, so everyone enjoys hot, ready-to-eat meals. Mornings just got a whole lot easier and tastier with the Chefman Anti-Overflow Belgian Waffle Maker. Its clever moat design catches excess batter, so you get perfect, mess-free waffles every time. With 7 adjustable shade settings, you can enjoy waffles just the way you like them: crispy, golden, or fluffy. Whether it's a classic breakfast, a fun brunch with toppings, or even a creative dinner twist, this waffle maker handles it all. The non-stick plates make cleanup simple, and its compact, vertical storage keeps counters clutter-free. Perfect for families or solo mornings when you want a hassle-free, delicious start to the day. This handy appliance performs at $37.17, making every waffle moment effortless and enjoyable. Whether it's a cozy breakfast or a full family brunch, the Chefman electric griddle makes cooking effortless and enjoyable. Its 10 by 16-inch surface handles eggs, pancakes, burgers, or any favorite meal with ease, while adjustable temperature control ensures perfect results every time. The non-stick surface and slide-out drip tray make cleanup quick, so you spend more time enjoying food than scrubbing. Compact yet versatile, it fits neatly on your countertop, adding extra cooking space for busy mornings or holiday gatherings. For anyone who wants simple, mess-free cooking that delivers consistent, delicious results, this griddle is a go-to kitchen companion at $29.99, keeping meals hot, tasty, and stress-free every day. When life gets busy, having a reliable, compact microwave makes all the difference. The Chefman countertop microwave oven fits perfectly into apartments, dorms, or smaller kitchens, delivering quick, consistent heating with 700 watts of power. Its 6 auto menus and 10 power levels take the guesswork out of cooking or reheating, while memory and express cook functions save valuable time. The Eco Mode, Child Safety Lock, and Mute function add convenience and peace of mind for every household. Whether you're warming leftovers, cooking a quick snack, or prepping a meal in a hurry, this microwave keeps things simple and efficient at $99.99, making every moment in the kitchen faster and stress-free. When life gets busy, having a reliable, compact microwave makes all the difference. The Chefman countertop microwave oven fits perfectly into apartments, dorms, or smaller kitchens, delivering quick, consistent heating with 700 watts of power. Its 6 auto menus and 10 power levels take the guesswork out of cooking or reheating, while memory and express cook functions save valuable time. The Eco Mode, Child Safety Lock, and Mute function add convenience and peace of mind for every household. Whether you're warming leftovers, cooking a quick snack, or prepping a meal in a hurry, this microwave keeps things simple and efficient at $99.99, making every moment in the kitchen faster and stress-free. Meal prep just got a whole lot easier with the Full-Star Original Pro Chopper, a versatile 8-in-1 gadget designed to save time and keep your kitchen mess-free. Perfect for chopping, slicing, and spiralizing vegetables and fruits, it's ideal for busy weeknights, healthy meal planning, or prepping for family dinners. The rust-resistant stainless steel blades make quick work of potatoes, cucumbers, carrots, and more, while the non-skid base and soft grip handle ensure stability and precision. With a built-in catch tray, counters stay clean, and cleanup is effortless since it's dishwasher safe. For anyone looking to streamline cooking without sacrificing quality, this must-have kitchen tool delivers convenience and efficiency at $34.99, making everyday meal prep smarter and faster. For kitchens where counter space is precious, the Bella for QT Slim Air Fryer delivers big results in a compact design. Its 3.3 pounds XL basket lets you cook family-sized portions of fries, chicken, or vegetables all at once, while 6 preset cooking options and adjustable temperature control make meal prep effortless. The Evergood ceramic non-stick coating ensures easy cleanup and healthier cooking without harmful chemicals, and the sleek, space-saving design fits seamlessly into any countertop. With automatic shutoff and 1,300 watts of power for fast, even cooking, this air fryer makes everyday meals simple, convenient, and delicious. Perfect for busy households, it performs efficiently at $59.99, making crisp, golden results a breeze every time. A reliable cutting board sets the tone for smoother, cleaner meal prep, and the snow-clad double-sided stainless steel cutting board fits seamlessly into everyday cooking. One side is ideal for meats, while the other handles fruits and vegetables, helping keep flavors and hygiene separate. The non-porous surface resists odors and stains, making it a great choice for busy kitchens where cleanliness matters. A built-in juice groove catches excess liquids, and the sturdy handle makes moving and storing it effortless. Dishwasher safe and designed to last, it's a simple upgrade that makes prep feel more organized and stress-free at $23.99 for a cleaner, smarter kitchen routine. Small upgrades can completely change how a space feels, and these rechargeable under-cabinet lights do exactly that. Perfect for kitchens, hallways, closets, or stairs, they automatically turn on when motion is detected, making late-night snacks or early morning safer and more convenient. The adjustable brightness lets you switch from soft ambient lighting to brighter task light for meal prep or reading. With a magnetic, wire-free design, installation takes minutes and charging is simple with USB-C. They blend seamlessly into daily routines without adding clutter or hassle. If you're looking to brighten dark corners and add a touch of modern convenience, this 2-pack delivers impressive value at $24.99, lighting up everyday spaces effortlessly and intelligently. It's often the smallest kitchen upgrades that make daily routines smoother, and this 3-in-1 kitchen sink drain strainer proves that perfectly. Designed for busy households, it helps prevent clogs, traps food scraps, and even works as a stopper when you need to fill the sink for washing. The pop-up design makes switching between draining and holding water effortless, while the removable basket keeps cleanup quick and hands clean. Made from durable stainless steel, it blends seamlessly into most standard kitchen sinks and stands up to everyday use. Whether you're cooking big family meals or just handling daily dish duty, this simple tool quietly saves time and frustration at $11.99, making sink maintenance easier every single day. If your mornings start with quick breakfasts and limited counter space, this slim toaster fits right into your routine. Its ultra-narrow design slides neatly against the wall, leaving room for coffee makers and prep space, while the extra long slot easily handles sourdough, bagels, or thick artisan bread without cutting or cramming. Whether you're rushing out the door or enjoying a slow weekend brunch, the adjustable shade control lets you dial in your perfect toast every time. Small details like the high lift lever and removable crumb tray make daily use feel effortless and clean. It's one of those quiet upgrades that simply makes mornings smoother and more enjoyable at $24.99 for everyday effortless breakfast enjoyment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing home, kitchen, and smart gadgets finds. Like the video and share your thoughts in the comments section below.